Okay folks, here's a short segment on DIY wheel alignment. So basically what I have here is my homemade trammel. Some sort of, I guess what must have started out life as like an extendable paint roller rod or something like that, you know, for extending your paint roller for painting up near the top, near the ceiling and so on. So what I've done is drilled 2 holes in each side and bent up a bit of bar that has a shape and a pointer on it with a rounded nose so I don't scratch my rims, bro. And got one of those on both sides. Basically, after we've replaced the steering knuckle and tie rod end, the wheel alignment is way out. So you can actually see the distance between the lock nut, here to the tie rod end there is pretty much how much the wheel alignment was out. So how do we check it? You can visually see the wheel being out. So how do we check it before we take it down to the alignment shop for a proper alignment? Well, that's where this comes in, and it's pretty basically just a comparator. So let's see if I can do this while I'm still holding the phone. So basically we get the rod in and it's on the wheel, and then we just touch it up to the wheel bead or the rim there, the edge of the rim on both sides, and then extend the rod out till it touches and compare that front to back. So the important thing is you need to have the same reference point on both sides, roughly opposite the wheel, on opposite sides of the measurement. So in this case, the way I've done that and having the same reference point is by butting up against this cross member, and the same on the other side. So what we do is we have the same position on the wheel. So for instance, let's take this wheel. We have a reference point, say here, and opposite on the other side of the wheel, and we compare the difference, and that will be effectively our toe, and it's surprisingly accurate. So for this I'm aiming for just 0 toe, because that's the easiest to do, and it's only a couple of k's to the wheel alignment shop, so there won't be any issues getting down there. So to do 0 toe, I need to measure the same distance on this front side of the rim, side to side, as the back side to side. So that's where we're at now, and that's how far it was out. So all we'll do now is just lock that up, and we're good to go when we're ready for a wheel alignment. Hope this helps.